Kinds of partners. Limited partnership. The unlimited liabilities of partners in ordinary partnership discourage the investment of large sums in the firm. The limited partnership is to some extent a way out of this difficulty. The chief features of such a partnership are as below. A limited partnership consists of two classes of partners, namely general partners with unlimited liability and special for limited partners with their liability limited to their capital contribution. A active partner, a person who became a partner by an agreement and is actively engaged in the conduct of the business of the partnership is known as an active partner. B. Sleeping or dormant or inactive partner. A sleeping partner is one who does not take an active part in the conduct of the business of the firm. Such partners only invest their capital and take a share of profit, which is usually smaller than that of active partner. Number 3, relation partnership. Relation partnership may be classified in 5 categories. Follow. A. Nominal partner. B. Partner in profit only. Number C. Working partner. Number D. Partner by estoppel. Number E, partner by holding out. Advantages of partner by estoppel for holding out. Number 1, more goodwill of the firm. Number 2, honest working. Number 3, strict control. Number 4, trust of the public. Number 5, increase in the popularity of business. Disadvantages of partner by estoppel or holding out. Number 1, inferior among the partners. Partners by estoppel is not the active partner of business. Those the public may think that he is a partner in business and does give him the credit of success in business. Number 2, improper use of name. The name of partner by estoppel is used in the start of business to enhance the credit and goodwill of business and to solve the unwanted difficulties. Number 3, slowness in trade. If a partner by estoppel or holding out is admitted in partnership, no doubt the credit and goodwill of the business house is enhanced. Sometimes the other partners in the business start thinking that this credibility and the name of the business is because of the hard working done by them. Unstable excitance. Partners by estoppel or holding out may withdraw his name at any time from the business. Under the circumstance, the credit of the business may advisory suffer. Number 5. Liability in case of loss. Partner by estoppel or holding out oblige the business firm by lending his name. However, in case the firm suffers some loss, even he would have to bear the liability for that loss. Other kinds of partners. Number 1. Incoming partner. When a person enters in the business as a partner, he is called incoming partner. Number 2. Outgoing partner. Any partner can be separated by two regions as below. A. By retirement. B. By expulsion. Number 3. Minor partners. According to Section 11 of the Contract Act, an agreement by or with a minor is void. As such, he is incapable of entering into a contract of partnership, but with the consent of all the partners for the time being, a minor may be admitted to the profit of partnership. Rights of a minor partners. Number 1. Sharing and assets and profits. A minor partner is entitled to that share in assets and profit of the firm to which, according to the terms of agreement, he is admitted in the firm. Number 2. Inspection of accounts books. A minor partner is entitled to inspect the accounts book whenever he desires. He can also have the copies of those accounts. Number 3, right to sue. A minor partner cannot sue another partner or institution for a share in profit. However, a minor partner can sue for share in profit after dissociation and associating him from the business. Okay, thank you.